This rabbit's previously damaged thigh joint has been regenerated by the animal's own stem cells. An arthritic forelimb thigh joint was removed and a polyester and bone scaffold inserted. The anatomically correct scaffold was infused with a growth factor, triggering the rabbit's own stem cells to regenerate the missing pieces. Professor Jeremy Mao of the Columbia University Medical Center believes it's only a matter of time before humans will be able to grow their own new knee or hip joints.
The rabbits were able to bear weight and function, were able to walk and run around in the environment, and so that's an indication that one day perhaps we could replace arthritic joints in patients rather than using metals.
Mao says it only took 4 months for a complete recovery in the rabbits. And with FDA approval, he wants to implement the technology in clinical trials on humans. Mao says receiving a natural stem cell joint is no different from getting an artificial one.
The patient would go to the hospital just as they would now to receive a metal joint. But when the surgeon is ready to deliver the joint, instead of a metal joint, the surgeon would deliver a anatomically correct scaffold, which has been constructed based on the images from the patient. So that's exactly the same shape and dimensions that would fit that particular patient.
One area that needs further research, says Mao, is the recovery process. Independent analysis has suggested that many potential recipients would be elderly and might find it easier to adapt to an artificial joint than to a regenerated one. And the demands of physiotherapy might also be too challenging for many. But Mao is convinced that stem cell regeneration is the answer for hundreds of thousands of patients each year who undergo joint replacement. Time and clinical trials will show whether this vision becomes a reality. Tara Cleary, Reuters, New York.